Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled amid rolling English hills, there lived a young man named Hayal. Hayal, in his early 20s, was a dreamer. He was tall with jet black hair, and his eyes held a certain mystique, much like the brooding heroes of a Brontë novel. The village was a place where time seemed to stand still, with golden fields of wheat swaying in the wind. Hayal was a farmhand, working tirelessly in those fields, under the endless sky, for a modest living. But in his heart, he harbored dreams that reached far beyond the horizon. One summer day, as the sun painted the sky with hues of pink and orange, Hayal met Aya. Aya, the village blacksmith's daughter, was a vision of beauty. Her golden hair glistened in the sunlight, and her laughter was like the song of a lark. The moment their eyes met, Hayal's heart skipped a beat. He knew, in that instant, that he had found the muse for his dreams. As weeks turned into months, Hayal and Aya's love blossomed, like the wildflowers in the meadow. They would steal moments together. In the fields, their love was pure and unspoiled as the countryside around them. It was in these stolen moments, amidst the rustling of the wheat, that they would exchange dreams and secrets. Aya shared her desire to travel and see the world beyond the village. Hayal, in return, dreamt of being able to provide her with all the luxuries she deserved. He promised to turn his meager existence into one of prosperity for her sake. Their love, though passionate, was secret, for the village was not a place that looked kindly upon such unions. Still, their hearts beat as one, and their love continued to grow stronger. They found solace in knowing that someday they would be free to express their love openly. One fateful evening, while standing at the edge of a wheat field, with the sun setting in the distance, Hayal knelt before Aya. In his hands, he held a simple, yet beautifully crafted ring. With trembling hands and heartfelt words, he asked for Aya's hand in marriage. Tears of joy welled up in Aya's eyes as she said yes, sealing their love with a promise to spend their lives together. Their love story, born amidst the simplicity of the fields, was a testament to the enduring power of true love. Years passed, and the once modest farmhand became a successful landowner, and Aya's dreams of seeing the world were fulfilled. Their love, like the village itself, remained unchanged, timeless and eternal. In the end, they proved that love could conquer all, even in the harshest and most unforgiving of circumstances. And so, their love story, like the wheat fields of their village, swayed and rippled with the passing of time, enduring through all seasons, a testament to the strength of love that began in the fields and ended in wealth, but remained true to their hearts forever.